How to make my favorite green juice.
Let's juice. First thing I'm gonna do is clean all of my fruits and vegetables. I'm just gonna do it off camera because that's pretty boring. We're gonna do my favorite green juice today. This is half of what I'm using, and I'm making 6 servings, which is 6 of these glasses. These are also linked to my Amazon. One thing that's very important is that I always start with celery, and there's a very important reason for that, and we're gonna get to it. Okay, this is what I have after juicing 2 giant celery stalks, but this is the reason why I always do celery first. See all this celery pulp? We're gonna juice it again. And here's how much juice I got out of the pulp, and there's so many nutrients in here. Next, I'm juicing 3 cucumbers, and I do not peel mine because there are so many great nutrients. This is a juice of 3 cucumbers going down the hatch. Next, I'm gonna do 2 lemons, maybe 3, but I'm gonna start with 2. And I cut the peel off because I find that juicing with the peel still on makes them just like a little bit more bitter, and I'd rather not. This is what the juice of 2 lemons looks like, and I'm just going to keep juicing. I'm moving on now to ginger. So with ginger, I honestly don't measure it at all. I don't peel it. I'm doing a few little nuggets. I'm doing 3 nuggets. Now I'm gonna do my Granny Smith apples. I have 3 in front of me. I always do either 3 or 4. It just depends how juicy they are, so we're just gonna see how it goes. This is the juice of 3 apples, 2 lemons, and 3 little nuggets of ginger. My last ingredient is spinach, and I just shove it in there. Okay, I juiced the entire bag of celery, and this is all that it makes. So I think I am gonna do the 3rd lemon that I was thinking about doing.
A juice shih tzu, oh my God.
When I get to the end of juicing, like all my ingredients are in there now, but they're not filled to the brim like I want them to be, then I just decide what do I want a little bit extra of. And today I think I'm feeling like having an extra lemon and an extra apple. So I'm gonna juice those last 2 things and we should be done. This is my extra apple and lemon, and I'm just gonna fill up the ones that weren't quite full yet. So now I'm just gonna put lids on, okay? And we're done.